In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record fixed assets in QuickBooks seamlessly and efficiently. Whether you are a small business owner or managing finances for a larger organization, correctly logging your fixed assets is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records. So, let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks account. Open up your browser and head to the QuickBooks sign-in page. From there, you'll choose the option for QuickBooks Online. This is essential as we'll be using the online version to access all the necessary tools to record your fixed assets. Next, type in your login credentials, including your email and password, and hit continue. Once you've done this, you'll need to select your QuickBooks accountant from the list. This step ensures that your assets are recorded in the correct account for seamless financial management. Once you're signed in and have selected your accountant profile, navigate to the Advanced Accounting section. This is where the real work begins. Here you'll find an option specifically titled Fixed Assets. Click on it and this will open up a new interface where you can input all the details of your fixed assets. In the top right corner of this section, you'll see a button labeled Add an Asset. Click on it and a form will appear, prompting you for various details about your asset. Start with entering the asset name. Give it a clear and specific name that you'll easily recognize. The next thing to do is add the purchase price of the asset. This figure should reflect the amount you paid, inclusive of any associated costs like shipping or installation fees. Following that, input the purchase date, which is the day the transaction was officially completed. Now it's essential to enter the depreciation start date. This marks the point in time when you begin calculating depreciation on your asset. Then you'll need to select the depreciation method. QuickBooks offers several methods, so choose the one that aligns with how you plan to depreciate the asset over time. Once these details are in, fill in the useful life of the asset. This is the estimated duration that you expect to use the asset before it becomes obsolete. Accompanied by this is the salvage value, the asset's worth once it reaches the end of its service life. Moving forward, add the various account details. Begin with the asset account, which reflects where in your accounting records the asset's value is recorded. Next, include the accumulated depreciation account. This details where depreciation expenses are tracked over the asset's life. Lastly, input the depreciation expense account, where ongoing depreciation costs are logged. Once you've completed entering all this information, make sure you double check each detail for accuracy. Finally, hit save to secure all your entries. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded a fixed asset in QuickBooks, ensuring your financial records remain precise and up to date. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.